What are we making?
Slime.
Alright, so we got our shaving foam, we got our borax, we're going to use glow-in-the-dark blue glue, we got a full cup of warm water to dissolve our borax, a big mixing bowl, and we got a mixer as well.
Daddy, I really want to put this in now.
Well, that's what we're going to start with. Can you put all the glue in the bowl?
Yep.
Move all these out of the way.
I can open it.
Alright, we need all of that glue in the bowl.
I don't know it comes out.
How about I just take the whole lid off?
We can do that.
Squeeze it and beat it. Squeeze it really hard, or me do it.
A few moments later.
It's coming. Just give me a hand.
Beautiful. Ew.
So we need to fill up our bowl with some glue.
That's disgusting, Adam.
Alright.
Ready up?
You just turn the lights off.
Yeah, it glows.
Dad, can we just turn the camera off? Then we can turn the light on.
Get all of the glue out. A little bit more. Alright, we're going to be making shaving foam glue.
Daddy,
So we need to shake our shaving foam up really well.
Daddy, I want to put it in now.
I want to put it in.
Okay, we need to put the same amount of foam as we do glue.
I think you have to do it, Daddy. Daddy.
Is that enough, Adam?
Yes, I think so. Just one more drip.
Perfect.
This is very good.
Alright, who's got big strong muscles to do mixing?
Me, that's me.
Alright, we'll get Adam to start.
Daddy, can I have to first show off Adam?
Mix it in really well. Mix, mix, mix.
Look at that.
Oh, mix.
We need all the glue mixed in with the shaving foam.
Oh, it is.
Mix, mix.
Getting blue.
It is. This is glow-in-the-dark slime as well.
Daddy, is this glow-in-the-dark slime not going to be sticky? But Daddy, I want to play with it right now after once we make it. I want to play with it.
I think that's enough.
Can Nate have a turn mixing now?
Yeah.
We need it all mixed in.
Oh, that looks very blue, kids.
Whoa!
Show them what it looks like.
No.
You can see. Keep mixing and mixing and mixing and mixing.
Is it my turn?
Yep. Adam's turn again. You see how that's coming together?
Okay, I think I'll just stand up.
It's getting nice and light blue from your glue.
Oh, that smells good, kids.
No, it smells disgusting. I'll keep mixing. Yeah, and there's some shaving cream.
Oh, it's mixing really well.
I told you. Very good mixes.
You are very good mixers.
Then why is it sticky?
It doesn't have your borax in it yet.
But borax makes it sticky.
That's right.
But water doesn't make it sticky.
Alright.
Makes it.
Next, we need to grab our warm water. And we need to grab our borax. We need to put 1 teaspoon of borax in our cup of water. Just like that.
Yes.
It's just
Can you mix that together, Adam?
Yeah.
I want to mix it together.
Okay, that looks all mixed in now. Get our glue mixture back. Now we gotta put 1 teaspoon of our borax mixture in. And we need to mix it together really well.
Mix it.
Whoa. No, not yet. That's
Adam's turn. Trying to get the stickiness out of it. We're almost there.
not sticky.
Think we should get it out now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's still sticky.
It's a little bit sticky.
Dad, don't touch your hands. I already have sanitizer.
Oh, Daddy, your hands don't get all slimy.
But it's not sticky.
Get all the little bits out of the bowl. It's going to be really nice fluffy slime. Make it nice and fluffy. Alright, can you boys do that? Just keep moving it and moving it. You can see all the sparkles in there.
Yes, I know how to do it.
I want them to do it first. I don't want to do it. I just want to.
Hiya, hiya, hiya.
Then drop it.
Hiya, 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 hiya.
You don't have to say that, Adam.
Okay, as you can see, I put extra borax in our slime. So our slime is just that, not as sticky.
This is not sticky. I'm just going to be able to play with it, Daddy.
Alright, there you go. Mix it through. But you can use less shaving foam. You can also use less borax and it'll be more of like a liquid slime.
Yeah, we wanted to make a good one, guys.
Daddy.
So we made these the other day. So in here we've got a purple, more of a liquid slime.
Daddy, how can
You can see that one is very stretchy. That one there has a lot less borax in it and a lot less shaving foam.
Daddy, I don't know what's my
Alright, what did you boys think?
Good.
It's not good. It's sticky.
Can you put the slime up here? There we go. That's our super fluffy slime. Later on, we'll see it glowing in the dark. Alright.